It's Friday. Beijing's night was so beautiful. We prepared to traditional hometown food for tomorrow camping, and it's meatball and jiasha. Alright, we need to sleep. It's very tired. Hello guys, good morning. It's a good day. We made a cup of coffee and eaten breakfast. We're going to a place where it is in Beijing suburb. Going to take some wind and exchange bars is so far. Here have so beautiful sunflower. It's growing proudly. Chinese is a romantic nation. We have so many beautiful poems to describe autumn seasonry. Brilliant, but the word of flowers, snow cooking time, a cup of tea. When you translate it to Chinese, you can see 烂漫不过世间花，慢煮光阴一盏茶。For my personal opinion, it means we don't need to hurry for something. Slow down is useful. No compare with other people and be yourself. Okay, thank you so much. Can watch my channel. Have a good day for you.